This tutorial is going to walk you very quickly through the process of getting a screen capture or a screen snip of something on your screen to share with someone else or to use as a file. So on your school laptops, there are a couple different programs that you can use. One comes pre-installed and it's called the Snipping tool. Another one is called Snip. It's a little bit more robust. It's a Windows program. It can be downloaded from the Snip site. So I'm going to show you both of those tools and then you can decide which one you want to use. If you want to use something that's pretty basic and it's already on your computer, you just need to find the program called Snipping tool. So down here in the search window or search bar, you just start typing in Snipping. And you're going to see a desktop app called Snipping tool show up. And this is going to give you a window that allows you to capture a part or all of your screen. So you've got a few options here. Here you can just click on New to take a snip right away. And you'll notice here, if I want to take a snip and I click on New, I'm going to get a faded out area, and then I'm going to get a set of crosshairs. And I'm going to click and hold in the top left corner or in a corner of the part of my screen I want to take a picture of. And then I'm going to, while holding, drag everything that I want to take a picture of so that it is nice and bright. It's not faded out in the background. And then when I'm ready and I have everything that I want to include in my snip, I just release and that'll pop up in my window. And you can see here that it only takes a picture of the part of screen that I wanted to share. You can do some other things up here as well. You can highlight, you can add pens. So sometimes if I want to draw somebody's attention to a specific area, I will use the pen and I will circle that. And then you can save this little snip or this snapshot onto your desktop. You can copy and paste it as well. They do have an option for sending it, but you do have to have your mail attached to Snipping, and with Office 365, that doesn't work really great. So I recommend you either save the file to your desktop and attach it that way. That's a great way to submit a screenshot in Schoology, or you can copy and paste it into an email or into a Word file. So you just click copy and it won't really see anything happen. And then you're going to open a Word or a PowerPoint and choose the paste option. The other app I'm going to show you is called Snip. I know, very creative. Snip does not come pre-installed on our devices. It's actually a part of another program called Office Mix. And you can download Snip from this website, mix.office.com/snip. Now I know that not a lot of programs you can download because of your lack of admin rights on staff and student laptops, but since this is a Microsoft approved site, you should be able to download and install Snip. One of the things I really like about this program is that it's always open. So you'll notice here on the left side of my screen, I have a tiny black bar. And if I hover over that black bar, my snipping tool shows right up, which is what I really love about Snip. Also, I can capture webcam video as well as regular, just a snapshot of my screen. I can also write on a whiteboard as well and capture that in video form. So I'm just going to show you screen capture here. I click on this button. It's going to work a lot like Snipping tool. I can either capture the whole screen or just a portion of the screen using those same kind of crosshairs. I click drag and release, and then I have a couple of extra options up here. I can actually record over my screenshot so I can tell somebody a little bit about it. I've got some pen options, erase options, and I can also copy and save just like you can in Snipping tool. And so that is another one. I really like Snip because it's open all the time, but for basic purposes, Snipping tool works really great and it comes pre-installed on your devices.